For me, si Mama, hindi siya kayang i-describe in one word, pero I think it's love.
You are one of the most genuine and generous persons I know. You deserve all the love and blessings you have right now because you yourself is a huge blessing to your family, friends, and everyone you meet.
Para sa amin, para kay Papa, para sa mga ka-churchmate, lahat ng pag-ibig na ibibigay niya, kung meron siya, ibibigay niya lahat. Yun yung kanyang love.
Mama is a very courageous woman. Kaya niyang gawin lahat. She could not be deterred by failure. Yung mga bagay na parang imposible, kayang-kaya niyang gawin, of course, through God. She is such a source of inspiration. Kasi yung feeling na kailangan kayanin din namin. Kasi kayang-kaya niya.
You leave me notes before you leave, and lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you love.
I pray and declare love, joy, peace para sa iyo. Enjoy your special day and we love you.
These paths will lead us to somewhere.
If there's one word that I describe my mom, inspiration. Because nakita namin and alam namin kung gaano kahirap yung mga sacrifices na ginawa niya for our family.
You dress up on a warm night, still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. Making up takes little time because you laugh when you get mad.
Wow, mukhang
And when I wrap my arms around you, suddenly we just forget the way you dress up one night. Still gets
At natutuwa ako na nung mag-retire ako, siya ang pumalit sa akin. At palagay ko ho, malalampasan pa niya ang aking posisyon na iniwanan sa Kongreso.
The most important part of my celebration is celebrating God.
Thank you so much po sa pagsama niyo po sa amin ni Maui at saka ni Atty. Badong sa pag-aayos po ng married life po namin.
You leave me notes before you leave, and lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you
She was also able to give back to other people. Kaya for that, I'm really proud to say na she is my mom.
the way you dress up.